fruity fun. Apples red and apples green, crunchy, juicy, fresh and clean. Take a bite, so sweet and bright, filling tummies with delight. Bananas yellow, soft and long, peel and munch, they make you strong. Monkey loves them, so do you. One or maybe even two. Orange is round and full of juice, squeeze them up, let's make some use. Citrus bright, a sunshine treat, tangy, tasty, oh so sweet. Grapes in purple, green and red, hanging in a vine-fed bed. Pop them in, they burst with fun, a fruity snack for everyone. Pineapples tall with spiky hair, golden inside, so fresh and rare. Tropical taste, a summer dream, blended smooth or topped with cream. Fruits are yummy, fruits are great. Eat them up, don't hesitate. Healthy, tasty, every day, keep you strong in every way.